The HOSONGIN 2i2 USB audio interface offers high-quality audio recording with its 24-bit and 192 kilohertz capability, making it ideal for capturing fine details in vocals and instruments. Setting up this interface is incredibly straightforward, allowing users to start recording in less than a minute without the need for complicated software installations. This compact device serves as a comprehensive podcast starter kit featuring both an XLR input for studio microphones and an instrument input for guitars or bass. The interface includes a reliable 48-volt phantom power supply, ensuring professional condenser microphones operate without unwanted background noise. Built with a sturdy metal chassis, the HOSONGIN interface is designed to withstand daily use while offering connections that are ready for professional studio monitors. Versatile and durable, this audio interface is a perfect choice for beginners looking to grow their skills and create high-quality content.